Do you have a document that you need to convert to a working file so you can further modify, change, or update? But it takes too much time to do it yourself, or the results of third-party automatic converting software are just not accurate or clean enough for you? Is hiring a new employee just to convert your documents impractical? While engaging freelancers are too much of a hassle and unreliable? JustConvert is a one-stop online portal for all your 2D, 3D and BIM conversion needs. Our converting service are manually drafted, accurate, to scale and clean, assures a fixed delivery time, and no full payment is required to get started. We'll convert all your sketches, hard copies, and designs to a working 2D drawing file, a 3D model, or a Revit model, so that you'll have a base to further work on for your specific needs immediately, without doing tedious conversions yourself. All our conversions are manually drafted, and we do not use third-party software that is used for automatic conversion. So, you can rest assured that your converted files are accurate, to scale and clean. You also do not have to worry about making a big commitment, as you will only make full payment when the conversion is completed. Finally, JustConvert is a social enterprise. We hire and specially train a team of professional people with disabilities, or PWDs. These PWDs work remotely, are always ready and driven to provide the best quality and the fastest delivery. Visit our website for more information at www.just-convert.com.